Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel here. Now we are making volcano esmond. Here's a piece, and we have a piece of color round up this one, and a piece of soap look like a jelly soap. And we have piece of baking powder. And we have food color, and we have a piece of bottle to put in. And we have one, it's a dangerous one to keep inside the bottle.
What is this?
Vinegar is very dangerous to keep inside that. Be careful. And here is another soap.
What is this?
A soap.
This is Dettol.
Yeah, for washing your hands to make all germs run away.
This is baking powder.
Baking powder. This is color food. That is a color food. To make 3. Go. Hello guys, now to pour vinegar in this one and soap inside that. I need to use vinegar carefully. Inside. Are you not offering it? Now guys, let's put this into the vinegar. But the soap needs to be inside the vinegar. This can't go. That's going to open it and keep it. Let's open it carefully. Look, it's red. Let's put it in. Now food color is making ready. It's be cool. The red is making it be cool and makes colorful. Now that is really cool, guys. Just now we just pour it in, and we keep that with, and now to pour it in the vinegar. Now it's inside, guys. Now it's inside. Up carefully. Look, you can see it. Yeah. Now first take a spoon. And time to pour it in. Now guys, and we fit.
1 spoon you put.
Here goes. Look guys, it's coming. Guys, volcano is really cool, guys. And look, it's coming down here. Whoa, guys, it's really cool. Let's shoot them. See it out there. See how it's cool, those candles? We cool, is it? Guys, you love it. Here it comes.
Say wow.
Wow, guys, look, it's coming out. Go see it right there. Yeah, okay, no. Coming out. It's coming bigger. Now to blow it, that it'll go down. Are you ready, dancer? To get volcano? Oh, yes, green. Is we super, guys? Is it? You can see that? That's coming to that dancer. Big. See it? Whoa. Hi guys to watch this video. Guys, look, it's coming down to the dancer. Yes, we still got answers. Cool. Is it, guys? Let's keep moving. Thanks for watching my video. Want to see more channels? Click the bell and subscribe on channel and see more channels of